Hi everyone, we're going to use implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the given point. And the point is 1, 1, and this is an ellipse. So basically, we're going to differentiate this implicitly. So the way you would do it, I'm going to use all the steps basically. So we take the derivative of each piece. So for the x squared, that's just 2x. You multiply this by dx, which is the derivative of x with respect to x, plus, now we have to use the product rule, so it's x times derivative of y is just 1, so that's derivative of y with respect to x, plus, now we have to take the derivative of x, which is just 1, so you have y, this is times the derivative of x with respect to x, plus 2y for this piece, this term, and that's with derivative of y with respect to x. And derivative of 3 is just 0. Now at this stage what I'm going to do is note that derivative of x with respect to x equals 1. I'm also going to write derivative of y with respect to x as y prime. And the reason being it just looks better. So this is going to be a 1. This is going to be a 1. I'm going to write this as y prime and this is y prime. Alright, so we have 2x plus x times y prime plus y plus 2y times y prime equals 0. Now at this stage, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and plug in your 1s for your x's and y. It might be easier. I'll go ahead and just group my terms together. So my y primes are going to go on the left-hand side. And everything else, these two, go on the right-hand side. All right. Now factor out your y prime. So that's going to give you, factor out the y prime. I was thinking of something, x plus 2y. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by this. So y prime equals negative 2x minus y divided by x minus 2y. That's your derivative of y with respect to x, your gradient. Now we can plug in the 1s. So when you do that, and then we'll have to find the equation. So when you plug in the 1s, you're going to get negative 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 times 1. That's going to equal negative 3 divided by 3, which equals negative 1. And that equals your y prime. So now you have an equation. This is your slope or your gradient, and this is your point. So you're just going to write this as y, using your slope point form or point slope form. Y minus 1 equals negative 1 times x minus 1. So this is going to be y equals, let's distribute negative x plus 1 and go ahead and add the 1 to both sides here. So we're adding this one. So you finally get y equals negative x plus 2. If you want this in standard form, you just move the x over to the left-hand side. So that's going to be x plus y equals 2. And either one of those is fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.